Hi guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my channel. Now the recipe that I'm going to share with you all today is my lamb Seekh Kebabs. These are so delicious. They're super juicy, super moist. You're going to absolutely love these. So let me run through what you need and then we'll start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need is half a kg of lamb mince, which is 500 grams in weight. I've got 1 medium onion. I've got 4 green chillies. These are optional, add however many you wish to add in. I've got a good handful of fresh coriander washed here, and I have 1 teaspoon of the following spices. I've got chili powder, salt, coriander powder, garam masala and cumin seeds, and I've got half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I've got approximately 16 to 20 6-inch wooden skewers. Now these haven't been pre-soaked because if we pre-soak them, they're actually not going to be able to hold the kebabs in place and the mixture will keep falling off. And also we're not cooking them in the oven, we're shallow frying them, so that's the reason why we've not pre-soaked them. And we also need oil to fry, so let's start cooking. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add my green chilies and my fresh coriander straight into my food processor, and I'm just going to give this a quick blitz just to break everything down. And the reason I'm adding that in before the onion is because I want the green chilies to sort of like grind down a little bit more than the onions. So let's do that first of all. Perfect. And now I can add the onions into that. So I'm just going to chop it up just to help it grind down properly. And that is looking perfect, and that's how it should look. Right, I'm going to transfer this out into the bowl and just set that aside. Right, okay, what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to add all of the spices straight in to our keema mix here, and also add the chilies, the coriander and the onion that we just prepared straight in. Take that off by hand, don't waste it. And now what you want to do is you want to mix this really thoroughly and make sure all of that keema is well combined with the spices and that chili, onion, coriander mix. And what we're going to do is we're just going to set that aside for approximately 30 minutes and then we'll start making the kebabs. So I'll see you back in 30 minutes time. Right guys, it's time to make the kebabs now. These are so easy to make. All you need to do is you need to grab your skewers in your left hand, and we're going to take approximately the size of a kofta. And what we're going to do, we don't want too much because again these are small skewers. These are sort of like mini kebabs, and we're going to just try and shape it in our palm like that. So just try and shape it first of all into a ball, and then we want like an oblong shape. So you like that, like a little sausage. And then we're just going to insert the skewer straight in like that. And then with our fingers, just push. And that should stick really nicely. And just make sure you go right to the edge like that. And with your thumb and this finger here, we're going to cause little indentations in there. And that will help the kebab to stick to the skewer. And it will look a lot sort of like authentic, like the kebabs that you get in restaurants. And basically that is your kebab all done, and I'm just going to pop it onto the plate and I'm going to continue making the rest of mine, and then we'll be ready to fry them. So again, just get a good decent size there. Just make sure it's quite firm in your hand, because when it's firm it'll hold its shape better. And then just push it to make an oblong shape like that. And then all we're going to do is insert the skewer in the middle and just apply pressure with our thumb and finger, and hopefully that'll just stay and it won't move, which it is doing. When you get to the end here, just if it starts to open up a little and you can see it, that it's not sticking, just make sure you just press it down and just continue to do that like that. And there you have it, guys. That's the second kebab done. So easy and simple. And I'm just going to pop that down. So there you have it, guys. My kebabs are all ready to fry, so let's fry these. So the pan that I'm using is nice and hot to the touch, and I'm just going to reduce the heat a little. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of oil into this. And we're just going to bring it up to heat again, just a little bit. And now that the oil's ready, we're going to add our kebabs in slowly, one by one. And we're not going to turn these, we're just going to let them cook on one side for about 30 seconds or so, and then we'll kind of slowly turn them over. So we're going to let these cook for approximately 6 to 8 minutes, no longer than that, because you want them to remain juicy and not dry out. And we will be turning them over throughout that time, and I'll show you how they look once they're done. Right guys, 8 minutes later and they're perfectly ready. They've got a really nice colour on them. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to take them out and I'm just going to pop them into a plate, and I'm going to continue making the remaining kebabs and fry them. And I'll show you how they look once they're all done. Okay guys, my lamb kebabs are all plated up on my beautiful platter here. And I'm just going to pop this down because this is heavy. Right. Let me tuck into this and tell you guys exactly how it is, but oh, it smells amazing as always. So Seekh Kabab, little mini kebab, and I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon juice on top of that. Oh, I'm gonna try this now, yeah. Oh my God. That is absolutely beautiful, guys. Don't even watch me eating this. Get off now and go make these. These are absolutely brilliant. They've got a nice sort of heat from the chilies that we've added. So I like it. I mean, if you want to add less, you can do by all means. That's entirely up to you, but I'm going to take another little bite. Oh. And they're super, super, super soft. They just melt in your mouth. Oh my God. All the spices are spot on. Salt, chilies, everything. You can have them with naan if you want. You can just have them on its own with some coriander and mint chutney. Perfect, honestly. Guys, if you've enjoyed watching this video, do give it a thumbs up. Don't also forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button to never ever miss a new video. I'll be back again with more recipes like these. Till next time, take care and happy eating.